Hey everyone, it's Andy here from the Adobe Express product team. Really excited to share a very much requested new feature with you, the ability to bulk create and generate designs from a simple Excel file. So this is how we do it. So here we've got a really basic use case where we're going to create a social media quote post. We like the basic layout and template here, but we want two things to change on it. We want to change the background image automatically, and we want to change this quote in the middle. So in order to do that, we're going to go to this brand new feature which lives under add-ons. So go to add-ons, look for bulk, and you'll find bulk create and generate. So now we can just get started with this. So there's a couple of things to note. We're going to need to make sure that we just connect the right parts of the design we want to change with the instructions on the right hand side. So firstly, we want to change the background image. So this is the bottom-most image. So you could, if you want to, change the foreground and the background image. So the foreground here might be my avatar in this one, but if you're maybe making some flyers, for example, you might have a couple of images that you want to easily swap and replace. Going to keep this one simple and just change the background image. Now we want to replace the text, and we can have more than one area of text. We're going to keep it simple and stick with one for now, but as you can see, we've got other options here too. So we're going to label our text. So we're going to click this, and then we'll just label it as quote. I'm going to link it. There we go. Simple as that. So we just gave it a name, press link, and there we are. So if we wanted to add other text fields, we could just add that, label our text, and I will just call this one handle, and then we could link it. But I'm not going to do that in this instance. So with that, I think we're all set. We're all good to go. And now what we've got is a custom template we can download based on what we've just requested, whether it's foreground and background and all of the bits of text that we want to swap out. That will then give us a custom CSV template to edit and update. So we'll download that. Now I've skipped a step for ease here, and this is what it looks like. So background image file name. So we could, if we want to, upload our own background images here, which is very useful if you've got on-brand images that you want to use. In this instance, actually, we're going to use Firefly to generate these background variations for us. So here you can see my prompts here because, we want something just kind of pretty generic in the background, but really makes the main hero of this post, which is the quote, really makes it stand out. So here we go. We just put in a bunch of prompts here. And of course, under the column of quote, we've then got the quotes we want to add. Simple as that. So we'll take a few minutes just to organize your content here. And what a lot of people do, we might maybe use ChatGPT to generate all the different variations, copy and paste that into this spreadsheet. Again, it's going to save you lots of time through ways that you can automate your workflows. Right then, so with that, we've just gone ahead and chosen our background image prompt and our quotes that we want to change. I'm going to head back into Adobe Express. And then we're going to click next because we've already sorted our CSV template. Then we're going to upload the one that we've just edited. So let's go ahead and find that, pop it in. So you can see that's reading the background image prompt. And with that, we could even remove the background as well if we wanted to, depending on what we're generating. So we've got quite a lot of flexibility to operate at scale here. And then we can sit back and watch some magic happen as we create pages. Right, so now it's generating multiple different variations, as you can see here. All coming on through. I think we're expecting maybe 11 or 12 variations. Forget how many rows I put in this sheet. Works fairly quickly, as you can see. Beautiful. Now we're done. So now we've created a quote post into multiple different variations, all with their unique backgrounds and unique quotes. And with that, we could easily just go ahead and take one of those posts and we could share that directly across multiple different social channels. Fantastic way to scale content creation. So here we can just go ahead and create that. And we're going to put the importance of marketing. And we're going to generate this, generate a new caption. So you can see how we can start to use all of these AI tools that are integrated into our workflow to really streamline and speed up production processes. And now we can just preview it, see how it's going to look. It looks pretty good to me. Wonderful. And with that, we've now created a few months worth of content just in a few moments there. So really powerful ways of scaling our workflows. Of course, I've shown a social media workflow here, but of course you can make this work across flyers, across presentations, anything that you can create in Express, you can bulk create and generate at scale using this new add-on. Really hope you find this one useful and excited to hear what you create and hear what you think. Take care. Bye-bye.